Hello, guys. It's me and my camera is acting up and my glasses. I usually do mature plus videos, so I thought I would do a quick video on just a basic beginner makeup. Now, I was going to do the whole shebang and do it about skincare, how to organize your makeup, prepping your skin and all of that, but I decided just to skip to the fun stuff. And you know what else? This mirror light is terrible, so we'll just do this. Okay, so I did work at an Ulta Beauty for a time, so I had some experience. Moms would come in with their 13-year-olds. It was so cute, and I would love to have them because to me, even more so than that time of the month, it was the marking into adulthood. I'm going to use this pretty palette today, and it's from Go To Beauty. Now, I did pick up at the Dollar Tree today. You guys know I can't pass up a good Dollar Tree. I can't even pass up a bad Dollar Tree. So I grabbed this, which I hadn't seen before. It's called Glowing Exfoliating Toner with niacinamides, peptides, and vitamin C. So after cleansing the skin, apply to the cotton pad and swipe across face and neck. Do not rinse off. Use once or twice daily, morning and or evening. Avoid the eye area. So this is only supposed to be used a couple times a week because it is pretty potent stuff. But you need, even when you're young, especially if you have dry skin or oily skin. So you're just gonna dab it, and this is going to remove dead skin cells, remove your makeup, freeze your face off, and generally make your skin just really glow. And then for your evening swipe, if you're sweaty and gross, put this in the fridge. It's so refreshing. This just feels so good. And you can feel, I don't have much dirt. I guess I did a good job cleansing. Anyway, this is just came out, Dollar Tree Glowing Exfoliating Toner. It's only a 4-ounce bottle. That way you can try it if you like it. Now, I recommend young girls start with a BB cream, which is like a foundation, but not. It's like a foundation, but I can't find it. And it's just going to give you less coverage. It's going to be more like your skin. This one is Maybelline Fit Me. It's a tinted moisturizer, which is the same thing for BB cream. I don't know why they call them different things. It says for all skin types, and it's a natural look, fresh feel, buildable coverage, and 12-hour hydration. So, got it all in there. Now, girls, don't cake it on. Don't be that girl. Oh, just don't. You don't want to put on your finger. We don't need to start playing with brushes. I mean, you can play with brushes, but not before that big date or that big dance. I'm going to rub it in my pink areas of my face and my under eye areas. So just look at your skin and see where you see discoloration. And you guys know there's a million, you moms know, and you girls know too. There are a million brushes, sponges, these little guys, little pointed sponges. They have little ones that stick on the tip of your finger. Make sure you blend it. Do not want to see a streaky line, which I probably do, but because it's dark and this mirror light is not the best. But you can never over blend, and guys, less is more, really. You do not want them to see the makeup, you want them to see the glowing, beautiful girl underneath. Now next you're gonna go in with, I would say, a loose powder, and I like this one because it's light and fluorescent and it has a pink tint and a light pink shimmer. So you're gonna just dust that all around with a light hand on your eyelash. Now, if you have greasy eyelashes, you will want an eyelash primer or foundation and some powder, because you don't want your eyelash make your eyeshadow to grease up. That's just gross. Okay. Now, I don't know what you're wearing, and I can't guess. So I'm just gonna go in with this real natural, this one right here. Doesn't have a name, but this is the CO2. It's a real light, semi-shimmery, brownish color. And you're just gonna go all across the lids. We're not doing any wings, we're not doing any creasing. Now, if you do happen to be wearing, say, a pastel blue or a pastel pink, I do strongly advise that you dip it in some water. Well, a flat brush, a very, very flat brush, and dip it in a complementary color. So like if you're wearing like green and black, you might put some light green in here, or some pink, or just something to brighten it up under here so it doesn't look dull. Now for cheeks, a little, again, it goes a long way, you guys. You can always take it off, and it's so much easier to take off. I like this little pink guy with a little poofer. He's my favorite. Of course, can't find the poofer. Not pooper, poofer. It comes with this little guy, and it came from Temu. I highly recommend your mom let you try a couple inexpensive products from Temu. Compare it to some of your drugstore makeup, or heavens to Betsy, your my grandma used to say that, heavens to Betsy, your department store makeup. You guys, I know that Clinique is like the girl's first makeup. Well, that's so out, and it's so expensive. So just dot it on your dots, dot it on your cheeks, the apple of your cheeks, a little bit here. I'm gonna take a big blush, fluffy brush, blend. Extra. Out. No. Excuse me. I think when I'm filming, oh my gosh, no. I'm going to have to start removing my dog out of here from the room. Oh my. Now, before you leave, before you walk out the door, you're going to wash or brush your teeth really, really good. Really, really good. And then, depending what you're wearing, well, actually, no matter what you're wearing, I would go with a pink. This is my 4-in-1 stick that I like so much. And I'm sorry you guys can't see that. Woo! Almost had myself a little accident. No lip liner, nothing like that. That just looks stark and contrasty and just harsh. So we're gonna go with some gloss, and bring your gloss with you because you will want to re-gloss about every 20 minutes. So put that bad boy in your purse. Get a little one if you can. These little ones are great. Don't be nervous about wearing makeup. Really, nobody's noticing. They're just going, is that Sally over there? Sally Smith? Nah. Sally Smith's a knockout. It is her. Oh God, man, I think you're right. Look at her. She's gorgeous. She's just radiating. You don't want her to say, is that Sally? God, she's got on a lot of makeup. Ugh. And then also in your little purse, pack an emergency tampon, an emergency pad. I feel like your mother. And a little tiny spritz of perfume or a little towelette if you have one. And then by all means, a couple of mints or chewing gum just in case you get that good night kiss. That is basic makeup 101 for young girls. And I'd love to do more videos like this. If you would like me to, you need to tell me. Please like and subscribe and tell me what you'd like to see more of. My contest is coming up. If you're enrolled and if you make a comment and I choose you, you will get a $25 Sephora gift card at the end of April. So don't forget, love you.